Welcome to math class. Children, today we will continue circle part 2. In first video I explained what is a circle and some theorem we did in first video. In second video you will learn some more properties and its application. Angle in a same segment are same. Suppose this is an arc, okay, AB, which is making some angle, okay, and the same arc is making angle in the same side, okay. Give the name A, B, C and D. Then angle ADB will be your equal to angle ACB, okay. If you want to prove, you can prove. Suppose this is the center of the circle, okay, and these two are crossing, then this will be your isosceles triangle. Again, this will be your same isosceles triangle, okay, and in that way we can prove, okay, but proof is not required, so I am not going in proving part, okay. Now with the help of this you can solve some sums that I am doing one question related with this theorem, okay. Angle in the same side. In this question, a figure is given. O means it is the center of the circle, and we know that a chord passing through the center of the circle is called diameter. Okay, so EOB is your one diameter and COD is another diameter, because both the chords AB and CD are passing through the center of the circle. Okay, and in this diagram, this angle is given. You are asked to calculate this angle, okay, the marked angle. How can we calculate? First, you have to observe the diagram carefully. From observation, what we are getting, we know that can we apply angle in the same segment property? Yes, we can apply, because see, with the same arc, one angle is generated over here and another here. That means it is in the same segment, in the same side. So this angle and this angle will be equal. So if we can calculate value of this angle, then we can easily calculate the value of this angle. Okay, is it possible to calculate this angle? So for that, see, this is your diameter, this is again diameter, and this is the center of the circle. So you know that a straight line joining from center of the circle on the circle is called radius, and radius of a same circle are same. Okay, this means length of OB and OD both are equal. So we can write here triangle ODB is an isosceles triangle. Okay, since OB equal to OD, radii of the same circle, of the same circle. Okay, radii of the same circle. Okay, then we can write, we know that in isosceles triangle base angle are same. So thus what we are getting here, we are getting BDO. Okay, angle BDO equal to, we can see, we can extend the length. With length there is no problem. BDC we will write. Okay, we will not write O, then BDC is your what? Will be your equal to this angle. Okay, first you write this BDO, okay, equal to OBD. OBD. Why we are writing up to this? Because we have considered this triangle, na? So we cannot extend here. Next, BDO value will be your this, because both are same, so 40 degree, clear? Or angle BDC equal to 40 degree, okay? Then we can write, therefore, angle, what you are asked to calculate? You are asked to calculate angle BAC, right? So BAC will be your equal to angle CDB or BDC. So BDC, okay, and BDC value is just we calculated and we got 40 degree. So 40 degree, but you have to write the reason also, okay, because if you don't write the reason, you will lose your marks. So you have to write angle in the same segment are same. Angles in the same segment are same, okay, clear? Must write this reason within bracket. Simply don't write that this is also scale triangle, and don't make conclusion directly. Write reason, okay, over here also, clear? So in this way we use this angle in the same segment property, okay? So in this video, this much only. Have a look. Thank you.